Hello everyone, welcome to Tohi Tech. In today's video, I'm going to unbox few of the GoPro accessories. I have a Ulanzi phone mount tripod. I have a Ulanzi Go Quick 2 1.4 meter extension tripod, and I have a Ulanzi Cute Lite, which is waterproof LED light to use with a GoPro as a vlogging setup. So let's further jump into the Ulanzi phone tripod first. Price for this one is $16. I will leave all the link in description, so if anyone interested to buy it. So this one have a 9.5 centimeter 3.9 inches diameter and is scalable. You can use a multi-angle as you can see on the packages. So let's open up this one. So this is a phone tripod grip. As you can see, you can put any size of the phone inside. I have a Samsung S22 Ultra, which is I can easily put into this one. Very nice and strong grip. You can adjust the grip on your desired side. This one have a rubber light grip inside, so will not damage or scratch your phone. You can change any angle to this one. You can turn around. It's quite strong, and you can even tilt the angle of phone using a little bit force. And there's a Allen key with this one. You can loose or tighten up the screw the position you want to put it on. So let's put that one on the side. So the next is Ulanzi Go Quick 2 1.4 meter extension tripod. So price for this one is on the Ulanzi website $26. I will leave the link for this one in the description as well. So let's open up. Let's put that on the side. There's one screw to tighten up the extension rod with a GoPro. This is a Ulanzi magnetic tripod grip, and the magnetic is quite strong. So as you can see, you can open up like that, and you can connect your GoPro, which is I'm going to connect right now, and I'll show you. So you can connect your GoPro with the extension just like that. So just like that. There's a quick release button on the side as well. You can just quickly detach your GoPro or any action cam which you are attaching with the tripod. You can attach your phone as well same time with the same grip using the Ulanzi phone grip as well. So to use your phone tripod with the extension, you have to use one of the screws just like that. So I bought this one from AliExpress. You can tighten up the screw with the phone grip, and then you can attach just phone grip with the extension rod just like a GoPro. Very easy setup. So there is a lock and unlock button. So if you move it to the right side, it will unlock. You can extend your GoPro just like a selfie stick, just like that, and you can tilt your camera toward you just like that. I will show you outside in a moment how that work. So quite handy, quite strong material, magnetic design. You can use your phone and your GoPro or any action camera or any camera which have a lightweight. You can use with this one. It's quite handy, quite strong, and quite wider legs. You can put any heavy camera on this extension rod. So next, put this one on the side. So next turn is Ulanzi Cute Lite. This is a LED light to use with the GoPro setup to use the GoPro in the low light conditions. So less further ado, let's open up this one. Put the box on side. So this one have a nice pouch bag inside the box. So let me tell you the price for this one on the Ulanzi website is £35. So this one have a few things inside. So let's see what's in the box. There is a user manual. You can read it up how they work. And that will says on the box as well, there's some diffuser, blasters, barn doors and honeycomb in there. And as you can see, there's a magnetic charging cable in there. There's a two charging cable in there. There's a two charging cable which is a similar. And there's a barn door in here. You can put that on a light, just like that. Put that on a side. There's a honeycomb, one blaster, as you can see. You can put that on there. There's one screw. You have to screw this one bottom of the light, so you can put that to the GoPro. There's a few different colors filter as well. Few different colors filter in there to use the light in different way, because this one is not RGB light. This one is a single normal light. So there's a diffuser on as well. Rubberized diffuser. This is a LED light. So as I mentioned, you can screw this one bottom of the light just like that, and then you can connect this one to the GoPro. So first of all, there's a light button on the side. This one is quite bright. As you can see, there should be 3 settings in there. This is a middle, and that's the brightest one. Quite bright light. If you press 3 times, it will turn on. So this one have a magnetic charging connector on the back. So you can connect this one right on the GoPro, just like that. So there's 2 screws in there. One screw to tighten up the light, and the other one is tighten up to the GoPro, just like that. And this is a complete vlogging setup with a mic, with the light as well. Let's turn on again, and there's one slot empty if you want to use external mic as well. So this is a very good setup for the GoPro to use as a vlogging. If you are not using the Volta with this one, so you can attach. This is a bigger clip, quite comfortable, and you can extend quite a lot spaces between your face and with the camera. And I will show you that in outside as well. So this is a Ulanzi tripod extension rod and the LED light test here. So I'm going to extend the extension rod. As you can see, the length you can extend quite a lot. Turn on the LED light as well. Quite good grip. You can hold with the 2 hands as well if you are attaching your heavy phone or extra camera there. I'm attaching the GoPro, and the length of the stick is quite good, and you can see I can frame myself, and there's a low background coming up in here as well, and the light on as well. I'm in the low light condition. There's a street light on as well, but the light is facing me. It's covering. This is the lowest brightness. I can increase the brightness. Hello, this is a Ulanzi cute light test with the GoPro Hero 11. So this is the lowest brightness. I'm standing on a very dark place at the moment on the Dundee Law Hill, and now I'm going to increase the brightness a little bit. So this is more brighter at the moment now. As you can see, you can clearly see myself in a GoPro Hero 11 with a low light as well, and because I'm using the Ulanzi LED light, I'm going to increase one more point in there. So this is the brightest LED. This is a single LED in the Ulanzi LED light, cute light. So guys, to charge your Ulanzi LED light, you have to use the magnetic cable, and you can use any of the phone charger to charge your LED light. And this one have a 800 milliamp battery inside. You can use this light for 65 minutes to 75 minutes easily on full brightness. And this one have a quick charge system inside. You can charge your light quickly within less than an hour. So this is all my Ulanzi accessories to support my GoPro and the phone vlogging. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Tawheed Tech, and please leave your comments in comment section as well. So thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you in another unboxing video.